How to create a birthday card on Canva app fast and easy in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to Canva app like this, and this is the home page as you can see now. All what you have to do is go here down below, click on this add here, and then go down and choose click on the card option right here. If you didn't find it, just search for it right here. Now click on it and wait a few seconds. It will take you to this page. Now here you will find the templates. Go down and you will find the birthday card. If you didn't find it, just search for it right here and then click on any template you want, and it will take you to this page. Now you can edit as you want. You can replace this photo with any photo you want from here and change, for example, happy birthday. Let's write any name, happy birthday Jacob, for example. As you can see, it's Jacob like this. It's easy and fast to edit. Don't forget to like and subscribe.